In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make these custom letters with furry details in your name or any other word that you want in ChatGPT and Canva in just a few seconds. And we're starting from ChatGPT. Now here I'm going to ask, create my name, Sander, in furry, fluffy style. I want the fur letters to be hyper realistic, colorful, with lots of details in the fur, no background, floating in the air in the correct order, spelling my name S-A-N-D-E-R in all caps. And I'm curious what it will generate for this one. So now it's generating the first image in real time, and it usually only takes a few seconds before you can start seeing the render happening. And here we can see the word or the image being rendered in real time. I'm very curious how the letters will turn out. It already looks quite cool. So it's taking all of the different colors, very vibrant colors, very playful. The texture in the hairs and the letters looks quite nice. And also the wording, the spacing is quite good. It has also removed the background, which is cool. So I'm going to open it up. This is pretty amazing. Now I'm going to download it and I'm going to jump into Canva. And here in Canva, I'm just using a presentation format and I'm going to drag in the image that has been generated without a background. So that is pretty cool. And now we can just change the background if we want. We can change the background color, or we can turn it into something nice like a gradient. So for this one, I think we want some high contrast. So I'm going to look for a very soft gray gradient. Something very light, just like this. Put it on the background, send it back, which looks pretty cool. If you want, you can add some shadow below. So shadow, and then go for graphics. Maybe the oval one will be good. Let's try this. I think we need a bit of a different one. This one will be a lot better. Then we add it here. And then you can just add them to your design, depending on where you want to put it, so it looks like it's floating somewhere on the screen, which is pretty cool. And this is how you can create these furry letters in Canva and ChatGPT in just a few minutes. And it's pretty cool what result you can get.